guys, it's Celia and I'm back with another video. So today's wash day and my hair was super dry. I literally just slapped it into a low ponytail for over a week and a half. I didn't moisturize it, I didn't detangle it, I didn't do anything. So I'm trying to get back into really taking care of my hair, so I did pick up the TGIN, thank God it's natural miracle repair CPR protein treatment with black castor oil and biotin. This actually came out years ago. I searched my channel and I surprisingly did not pick up anything from this line or review it. So today I'm going to review this. Now it does smell good. It has a nice light fruity kind of marshmallowy scent, at least to me, and the consistency isn't super thick. It's lightweight, but it is super duper creamy. So I will use this and then I will just detangle using this Unbrush. I've been loving it for my wash days. And to shampoo my hair before using this treatment, I will be using my own brand goddessscurls Lush Moisturizing Shampoo. This is sulfate free, it has macadamia oil, argan oil, so if you haven't tried out any of my products, I will leave the link down below. I'm also going to link down below some other TGIN reviews that I've done. They are a bit older, but in case you want to see, they'll be in the description box. But this specific Miracle Repair collection is meant to repair, revive, and restore damaged hair. My hair isn't necessarily damaged, but over time, every one of us could benefit from a protein treatment just to strengthen up our hair and to help prevent from any type of breakage. So yeah, I am just going to use my shampoo and get my scalp all nice and clean. My shampoo is a moisturizing shampoo, so it leaves the hair hydrated when you rinse it off, but still clean. It has a nice amount of suds, smells good, all that good stuff. So I'm gonna just speed past this and we can get on to the treatment. So like I said, this has a nice lightweight consistency. It's nice and creamy. It smells really good. Now, putting this onto my hair, I instantly felt nothing but softness. That is what I look for, whether I'm using a conditioner, deep conditioner, a treatment. I want my hair to feel super silky soft as soon as it touches my hair. And it did just that. It felt so good. So I'm just going to apply this all over my hair. And the consistency of this, I'm not going to say slimy because that kind of sounds bad, but it's very slippery. So it does have a lot of slip. Even though I didn't finger detangle and I used my detangling brush, it was very easy. And if I wanted to finger detangle, I know it would be a breeze. So yeah. Now, I do love the fact that this says to just leave on for 3 minutes and rinse out. I am big on anything that I can use that is super quick to get over with, because y'all know wash day as a natural takes forever. So I did like that. It does say to cover your hair. I didn't cover my hair, but I'll let you guys know what the results were. Now, as far as the protein in this has hydrolyzed wheat protein, but it is towards the end of the ingredients list. And you guys know, whatever is at the end of the list means it doesn't have as much of that ingredient. So I wouldn't classify this as a super mega protein treatment, so for example Apogee or anything like that. But I do think it's in there, so obviously it's going to have some type of effect as far as strengthening and all that. But so far my hair is just feeling nice, soft, slippery, buttery. Alright, so when I rinsed this off, you guys, my hair was super duper soft. I loved how it felt. So I definitely feel like if I were to use heat or cover my hair with a shower cap, that my hair would just feel like butter. So that is a plus. As far as any type of strengthening like it claims to do, I will say my hair didn't feel strengthened at all. It just felt super hydrated and soft, but that's not necessarily a bad thing. The Ulta website does say this is a gentle formula, so I probably, or most likely, would just have to use this consistently in order to feel the effects of that strengthening. So I'm not mad at that at all, just because of how hydrating this is, and my hair needs moisture because I've just been really lazy when it comes to wash day and deep conditioning and treatments and things like that. So I would give this a 9 out of 10. Like I said, it had slip, it smells good, it's softening, all that good stuff, and I felt like my curls were my hair was plump when I washed it out. So yeah, comment down below, let me know if you guys have used this before, if you enjoyed it or not, and also comment down below one of your favorite deep conditioners, masks, or treatments, because I want to start testing out different products again, just so that I can get back on a good deep conditioning routine with good type of mask and things like that. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, you guys, and I will see you in another video.